Okay, I'm gonna begin with technique book 3A, and we're gonna play C, Etude in C. All right, that was Etude in C. Now we're going to lesson book, and I'm going to play the Canoeing in the Moonlight. D major, sorry. Back to G. Back to G, arpeggios. A, F sharp, G, F sharp. So at the end, I want to tell you what's happening at the end. So it's D, F sharp, B, and then it goes down to G, D, B, D, E, G. You keep climbing up with your left hand, B and D. Then right hand goes on top, F sharp, A sharp, and it slides up to G and B, an octave higher, G and B. Okay, so that was canoeing, and now we're gonna go to a very happy Turkish March by Beethoven.